Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Development of Virtual Learning Model Playpad Classroom by Rita Mariana Rudianto Badruzaman, Early Childhood Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Development of Virtual Learning Model Playpad Classroom. This research introduces a new learning pedagogical approach, the Virtual Playpad Classroom or VFC. The VFC is an integration of two concepts, the Playpad Classroom and virtual teaching. This study aims to improve student learning abilities through the use of the Playpad Virtual Classroom model. This research utilizes a research and development with a purpose sampling technique that studied active students in early childhood teacher education program. Data from student final examination score questionnaire were analyzed using quantitative and qualitative approach. The final product were a virtual Playpad classroom software along with this digital-based classroom design. The concept of virtual classroom, a collaborative web conferencing tool with an online whiteboard, breakout room, and screen sharing capability for teacher and tutor who want to conduct highly interactive live online teaching session. The concept of Playpad classroom is a teaching model and type of blended learning that replaces the traditional learning environment by providing learning content open online outside the classroom, transferring activity including those that might traditionally be considered homework into the classroom. In reverse classes, students watch online lecture, collaborative on online discussion, or conduct research at home while engaging in concept in class with the guidance of a mentor. The difference between traditional classroom and Playpad classroom. In traditional classroom, teacher teach the class. Student listen, lack of interaction. Student assimilate concept on their own. In the Playpad classroom, the student prepare the lesson and participant practical classes. Teacher guide and consolidate concept. The Playpad classroom, turning traditional education upside down, a teacher guide. What is a Playpad classroom? The Playpad classroom imports traditional teaching practices to create more interactive method of learning by delivering instruction online outside of the classroom and using class time for teacher guide, problem solving, analysis, and in the class discuss. A theoretical framework, educational technology, and active learning are two key components of the Playpad classroom model, as both have fundamental influence on student learning environment. In the Playpad classroom, students prepare to participate in the class activity before in class, and during in class, students practice applying key concepts with feedback. And after out of class, students check their understanding and extend their learning. Playpad teaching at home and at school. Teacher create video lecture, share with students. At school, facilitate, discuss, answer student question. Student at home watch lecture, prepare question for the teacher. At school, ask question, participate in the learning activity. The application of the Playpad classroom model has many advantages over the traditional learning model. The availability of material in the form of video gives students the freedom to stop or repeat the material in any time in part they do not understand. In addition, the use of classroom learning session for project or group assignment make it easy for students to interact and learn from each other.